70 and a half. SS. Nice. Looks good. Five-speed transmission. Awesome. Toys. Oh yeah. How's that for an Indian three-wheeler? What's that called?
Dispatch tow.
Dispatch tow. And if you get tired of that, you can get on the old, is this a 37? 37 Indian. And we got the big old diesel to stick in the four-wheel drive here. What's that? I forget, what's that truck?
59.
A 59 Chevy, one of the first four-wheel drives or something?
Yeah, it's a original NAPCO four-wheel drive.
NAPCO four-wheel drive. Gonna have a diesel down in her. And we got the old Baja over here. Nice.
On it.
Yep. Nice. There's my old Chevy. The back burner. We got a 57 Bel Air hiding back here. And another old Chevy. That thing turned out awesome. And we got a couple more Harleys over here. A few other miscellaneous. Couple more hiding back here in the archives. Dirt bikes. The old 4WD. The old classic Suzuki. What year's that old V-dub?
That's a 78, I think.
That's a newer one compared
That's
to the
the
other one.
last year they brought them to the United States without being a convertible.
That one there is a 50 something, isn't it?
59.
59. Waiting for restoration. Awesome. Whoop. Fall down.